Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you're looking for an aggressively designed spoiler that will get the back half of your 2010 to 2013 Camaro noticed, we'll have a look at the Streetfighter LA rear spoilers. Their design is one of the tallest spoilers, coming in at just over 5 inches on their outer portions and 4 inches on the center portions above the factory deck lid, while most other spoilers come in at about half that. Available in either fiberglass or carbon fiber, Streetfighter LA has given you the option to get the one that fits your style. The fiberglass option does come gel coated in a semi-gloss black finish as it is, but I do suggest having it painted to either that perfect color match or get that custom paint job dialed in. The carbon fiber option is 2x2 weave to match most any other carbon fiber accessories you might have, and has a high gloss gel coat applied, so it does not need any finishing. A wax and simple maintenance will allow the coating to last a long time. Installing these spoilers is easily done since it does take place of the factory spoiler, and installs using the supplied hardware. Starting in the trunk, we will have to remove the liner. Remove the latch cover and the 10 push pin retainers to loosen the liner. Once the liner is loose, push the emergency latch release and set the liner aside. Now remove the 4 plastic covers to expose the 4 of the 6 nuts needed to be removed to loosen the factory spoiler. Remove all 6 of the 10mm nuts. Squeeze the final retaining tab and carefully pull the factory spoiler from the deck lid. Next, carefully place the Streetfighter LA spoiler on the deck lid. Then install the supplied hardware to the factory location. Each retaining bolt will require 2 of the lock washers. Once all the bolts are in place, tighten them down to set the spoiler in place. With the spoiler fixed to the rear deck lid, reinstall the factory plastic covers and liner back to the original location. And just like that, guys, we're able to take the back half of our Camaro and add one of the most aggressive spoilers available. The height of these spoilers is going to get your Camaro to stand out going down the road. As you can see, the fiberglass version looks good with its gel coat, but having it paint match is going to finish the spoiler off nicely. The carbon fiber version is going to match any other carbon fiber accessories that you might have while having a great high gloss finish. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about the Streetfighter LA rear spoilers, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our future videos.